It's really rewarding to be part of something bigger than myself. Not only does this company care about its employees, but we work tirelessly to bring our customers the most cutting-edge solutions. It's bringing customers into the future. For over 70 years, Brenner-Fiedler has been a leading automation and pneumatics service provider.
Automation is the use of machines and technology to run processes with minimal human assistance.
In addition to distribution, we also offer our customers value-added services like full turnkey solutions, robotics, UL 508A panel shop, and medical device assistance.
We help our customers navigate the massive field of Industry 4.0 by providing them guidance to choose the right solution for their application.
We serve every industry, from food and beverage to medical to transportation.
Our engineering team puts a lot of time in researching the best solution for the best application, therefore finding the best product that we could use for our customers.
We had a chocolatier come to us. His production was being halted because of human error. He wanted a full automation solution, but instead we suggested a simple screen change that ended up solving his problem. It's easy to get lost in wanting an exciting automation solution, but we come in as an extension of our customers' team to make sure that they have the right solution.
We take pride in making sure that the solutions we provide our customers are exactly what they want and help the customer every step of the way.
At Brenner-Fiedler, people come first. Although we're selling robots and robotic solutions, people are important. It shows in our sense of community, our commitment to our customers, and to our team.
Quality is at the heart of Brenner-Fiedler. Everything from our FDA capabilities to our UL 508A panel shop and ISO certifications.
Our certifications emphasize the importance of quality to Brenner-Fiedler and to our customers. That gives our customers confidence in our capabilities and our standards.
We have a variety of positions here at Brenner-Fiedler, from our sales engineers to quality team to dedicated project manager, who all assist in making sure the customer has the highest quality solution, from quote to installation.
One of the things I personally enjoy at Brenner-Fiedler is that we take pride in taking the extra step and going the extra mile for our customers.
We are a huge family here at Brenner-Fiedler. We have kind of a saying, work hard, play hard. I'm sure everyone's heard that, but we really take it to heart here. I mean, how can we act as an extension of our customers' team if we're not a cohesive unit ourselves?
Our culture values people, the community, education, and the day-to-day experiences here.
We try and foster a culture of leadership here at Brenner-Fiedler. Each year, every employee at Brenner-Fiedler comes together to set the vision for the year.
It's a very empowering feeling knowing that our opinions matter in deciding where the future of Brenner-Fiedler goes.
We have a vision board where each employee can post their visions for their departments, themselves, or the company as a whole, whether it's for the next week or even the next 10 years. They can take part in making that vision happen. Industry 4.0 is constantly evolving. It's new, it's on the forefront of technology, and we want to share that with each of our customers. We want them to feel as inspired as we do.